All right, welcome back to Moto Creek, you guys. I am out here in a live test trial. We have our cargo boxes from KEMIMOTO, and I brought a bunch of gear today that I'm delivering to a client, and we're gonna test out the durability of these things. I made a little short about these new products. We're gonna go over what they are. They're durable, they're plastic, they're form-fitting for your Can-Am Defenders. They have them for every other model that you need, your Polarises, all of your other rigs. And we are going to test out the durability. Today I have some of these. There's some traps that I got all welded up and done for a guy, and they weigh quite a bit. So we're going to go through, open up our boxes, get them all assembled, run them through a test here in the backwoods of Idaho, and we're going to see what they're made of. All right, here we go. Okay, all right, it fits in there pretty nice. We're gonna take and just line these little locking lugs up and put them right in line with the spacing locking lugs you have on your frame. Make sure nothing else is in the way here. So open it up, look inside here. We have these little turning knobs that you turn and it tightens them up. I'll bring you in here so you can see. Check out, so this is the little tray that's inside this one. This is a 5-gallon one. This one is your smaller version. They also sell the bigger one, which we're going to install as well. So it comes with just a little tray, and they even all come with your own lock, your combination lock, so you can install. Yeah. Here's a look at the inside of this one. Much larger. And yes, it comes with locks as well. So same idea, you got locking lugs that you can move and you can install in all areas around this machine. All these have the different modular configurations, so you can just kind of put it wherever you see fit, except for the tailgate. Can-Am doesn't put any of these lugs in the tailgate. So we're gonna go ahead and just install it on this side. All right, well, before we fill these things up, let's take a look inside now that we got them installed. So here's our lugs. Like I said, they're very easy to tighten, and these ones right underneath here, they end up locked. So if I actually should just move this one here, and it would lock it underneath this whole locker, so you couldn't really get in there and get it undone. So right here, like I said, this is your 11.9 gallon. Got the slider, got plenty of space inside of here, super durable. This is that hyper plastic, so it's very tough. I like the locking latch because a lot of times they're just the bungees, and those bungees get sun rotted and just snap off. This is, I like this. This is going to last a lot longer. So let's go over here. I'll show you where the lugs are inside of this one. This one completely locked, so their little tightening lugs are deep inside of here on both sides. So if you lock this up with the lid, which is also watertight, we got a watertight seal here. Man, this is really nice. So they're heavy duty, I'm telling you, they really are. So we're going to test that. We're going to go ahead and throw some of these. These are heavy metal traps that a customer has, and we're going to film in here, and we're going to go on a road test. Well, that's all the boxes, guys. We got them both emptied into these containers. They're doing pretty good. Here they are. I don't think they're gonna go anywhere. So we're gonna hit the road. So one of the first things I noticed was how heavy duty these guys feel. They are made out of that LDPE plastic, so they're crush resistant. And like I said, the lid can hold up to 165 pounds. So you can actually stand on them, you can bounce around with them. They're super easy to install, like you guys seen. And I mean, it just took a couple minutes to put them together. They're fully waterproof. They got that good rubber seal on the inside. So even in the big rain and the big puddles and all that, all your gear's gonna stay completely dry. I really like the lock design. I keep talking about that, but it's way better than that bungee strap, you know, and gosh, it just makes it so a little bit more security, even though, I mean, nothing's completely lock proof nowadays, but you know, it's at least got some sort of security on it, which is kind of nice. So, you know, they come in the two different sizes. They got the 55 or the 5 gallon, sorry, and then they got the 11.9 gallon, which is like a 45.3 liter or something like that if you do the math. You know, they're coming in around 160 bucks or less, I think is what I was looking at there the last time I brought them up. So they're super durable, they're tough, they're easy, they're something that's affordable rather than some of the other boxes. And they're modular, so they just kind of move and fit to whatever you got going on and whatever side-by-side you're running. All right, I pulled over to the side. I wanted to take a peek at our cargo. They are getting dusty. That's just the nature of the beast out here. But I want to look in and see everything in here is nice and clean still. I'm looking for this paper to get nice and dusty, because you know that is, all this shininess. There's nothing in here, nothing up around the seams, so we're holding good. Let's go check out the other one real quick. And oh, see, it's nice and snug. I love it. There we go. Okay, you can see where the dust line is stopping. If you can see right here in the sunlight, see where it's stopping right here on the edge. So, all right, winner. That's a good test. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna call that a successful test. These things are pretty nice, I will say. They're affordable, they're heavy duty. You know, I know they are from overseas and everybody has their opinion about that, but I'm not here to talk about that. I think that it's a quality product, and that if you wanna get it because it's in your price range, you should pick them up. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. They're quality, they're good, they're nice. We're gonna continue to test these, and I'm gonna continue to bring some more products here from KEMIMOTO. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found anything useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below, and we will catch you on the next one. You be safe out there.